Hello, it's Ben with the DIY Homefront, and we had a storm come through last night, so I guess I'm going to be cleaning up the yard. So let's take a look at it. So we got a lot of sticks and leaves everywhere. If you've got pine trees like we do, you always end up with broken limbs. There's just lots of little sticks everywhere I'm gonna need to pick up. Some of them are pretty big. Well, there you have it. I better get to work cleaning it up because we got another thunderstorm coming this afternoon. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in that next video.